Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this new Lana Doll and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to the free play mode in Dress to Impress because the hunt only works in the free play mode. Then you can go to Lana Salon and then you can click on this button. You will find a doll here and then you need to hunt 3 items to unlock the doll. The first location is here guys. You can tap and hold on this button and then you will find the first item. Okay, 1 per 3 items have been collected, and then I'm going to show you the second location. You can go to the house here. And then you're going to go to this area and you will find a haystack, and then you're going to tap and hold on it, and there will be a needle that you need to collect. Okay, wait, it's still processing. Okay, and this is the needle. You can collect the needle. And then for the last location, you can go to the house and go to the bedroom on the 2nd floor. Okay, you're going to go to the 2nd floor and then you're going to enter this room. This one. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, and then you will find a doll here. Then you can squish the doll. And you will find a button from this doll. Okay, this is the button and then you can collect it, and after all the items have been collected, you can go back to the salon and you can repair the doll. Alright, and now finally I can unlock this Lana doll and we will get seashells as well as the reward. And then you can put on this doll. Oops, sorry. And okay guys, that's all the way to unlock the new Lana doll in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.